Look, these are ice cream sticks. Okay, numbers are written here. There are numbers on the watermelon. Okay, first of all I will raise it. Number 5. Search. Where is this number? Where is the number? 5. No, this is 2. Yes, number. Look, match it. It's number 5. Now, give him. Very good. He will eat number 5. Only one number. Which number you find out? 4. Wait. Where is number 4? Check here. Number 4. Check here. In these ice cream sticks, girl. Check here. Number 4. Number 4. This is 2. Check this number. Same number. Yes. Match it. Match it. Yes. Look. This is number 4. Now he will eat. He will eat number 4. Ice cream. Very good, Fatma. Now wait. Raise any number. Again. Stop. Again, now search. Number 7.
Number 7.
Where is this number? Check here. Check here. Ice cream sticks. This is number 7. Yes, very good. Eat number 7. Okay, number 10. 1 0 10. Where is 1 0? Wait. 1 0 10. Match it. This is number 10. Okay, that's good. He will eat number 10 ice cream. You can also say lollipop. Okay, wait. Look, number 3. Where is number 3? Same number here. Very good. Match it. Yes, number 3. He will eat lollipop. Number 3 lollipop. Okay, Fatma. Number 2. No, ये आप बाद में रेस करना ना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चेक करो नंबर 2 कहाँ है. ये बस डाल दो, फिर आप नेक्स्ट कर लें. टिश्यू जे देती हो ना, पहले आप 2 डालोगी. देखो ये 2 हो गया. ओनली 1. रेज 1 एट अ टाइम. ओके, ओनली 1 एट अ टाइम बेटा. व्हाट इज दिस? विच नंबर इज दिस? 9. Search. Where is 9? 9 here. Search. Check it. 9. Check again. 9 कैसे लिखा हुआ है? 9. देखो यहाँ पे 9 कहाँ है?